famies, welcome back to another video. I hope you are well and in good health. Remember, we are just a South African food content YouTube channel and we cook what we have in our houses, okay? Now, today we are cooking chicken arroz. Before we cook, I would actually like to say these words. Thank you very much for everyone who have subscribed to our slowly growing channel. I appreciate your presence. I appreciate your subscription. I appreciate the fact that you take your time, your data, your phone, and literally watch my content. As a novice content creator, you still come back and watch. Anyway, let's get back straight to it. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. And most importantly, do not forget to watch the ads. Now, you wonder, what are you doing? Today, we are not having a story time. We are cooking chicken arroz. First of all, that is water in my pan and food coloring. I noticed that I didn't have, what is this? I didn't have turmeric. Then I used my food coloring, right? And rice, of course. I've marinated. Hey, mulume, umulume. I've marinated. Yes, I've marinated. Okay, I am marinating my chicken. Remember, when it comes to, if you're a regular family, you know that when it comes to products product that we use, I don't really like to show them because I'm not getting any funds for advertisement, okay? So you can use any type of your sauces to marinate your chicken, okay? Then we are frying it this time around. We are frying the chicken, not frying, grilling. Yeah, grilling. You know, we are scared of cholesterol in this house. We try by all means not to actually fry. We don't play like that. I hate frying things. Okay? So again, I'm like, chopper. Where have you been? One thing I need to say to you guys, you are not commenting. Like, Lena, you are... Why am I making noise? Okay, you guys are not talking to me. You guys are just quiet, mom. But then you are watching it. Listen, I will come for you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. I've even said, guys, give some ideas. What do you want us to cook? Remember, this content is the one that each and every one of us need to relate. We are not going to cook calabash, kalalele, things that we don't know, okay? We cook what we have in our houses, all right? Right. So on the other hand of camera, I chopped my yellow pepper, my orange pepper, red pepper, and red onion. So, which I did not show on the camera because, wow, doing food content is a hell of a work, right? Oba content creator. So, it's not an easy thing. So, make sure that with a cooking oil, a little bit of it. Like, you see how much I'm trying to... I'm actually running away from cooking oil and all the fat stuff. So you just put a small amount of cooking oil, then make sure that you base it on your pan, right inside your pan. Then with your chicken, of course, put it in the oven, let the ball start rolling, okay? So I'm gonna make some more story times, since that we have been doing the past weeks. We've been on story time part 1 up to part 3. I feel like we need a break from story time. Let us talk to our food. On the other side, we are doing boiled green beans, okay? Always make sure, I always say to my famies, if you are a regular, you know that we try by all means to do what? To substitute our meals with veggies because it is important. We are not dieting. This is not a diet. This is not a special diet, if I may say. It is a normal diet that each and every human needs to have. And I always say, families, if you know that you are blessed with a yard in your house, please make sure that you plant your own veggies because economy is very high. Things are very expensive. Just small corner there behind your house, please make sure that you plant. I did not plant this once. I bought, but then I think I must look for a very small space where I can put my plants, because wow, we need to eat greenies almost every day. Your plate is incomplete without anything vegetable type. So what we're going to do here, we are just simply going to boil them, put a little bit of aromat as you saw. And then on the other hand, we were boiling our rice. Now I washed it because I don't know, I prefer to rinse it. The first water, I always take it out, rinse my rice and take it back. Of course, with a little bit of water, because it was almost done, and I don't prefer to close it. Why? Because I don't like rice. Your rice shouldn't look like pap. Rice is kaba mabaga pitani. Rice is twarane kareng yo ke batho ba ile re sa le banyalana ba celebrate 46th anniversary. Rice is kaba mabaga pitani. Rice I tshwanela ba mabaka a pitlane. I tshwanela ba things are congested. Ka Sizulu ba reng, what is this? Anyway, write down below. So, can you say our chicken is chickening? It is coming all right, okay? Back to our rice. You see, it is not mabaka a pitlagane. It is fluffy. Yeah? It is fluffy, I beg. You see, now you're going to, while it's almost ready, you need to taste it. That is when you are going to put all the chopped things that I was telling you about. Your peppers, yellow, red, orange, and parsley, because I didn't have, I have a box parsley, not that one, not that leaf parsley, as well as my red onion. You can see that there's a red onion in there. Okay, fine. Mix everything together, maybe for about 10 minutes or 5. Always remember to cook with a very low heat. Dijo tsa wa peiwa ka high heat a di be monate. So control your heat, I beg. Can't teach everything, eh? So on my other part, what is this? I don't know. Yeah, whatever it is, that is crushed. What is this thing? Garlic and chilies. Crushed garlic and chilies. Remember, we are cooking chicken arroz for the very first time. Pray with me, and pray with me. Now mix everything together. Look at the color. You see? It's yellowish. It's not everything that needs to have turmeric. Use your food coloring substances. Your food coloring what? Those things, it's almost about 11 rand. That's small. I think it's 10 ml. I don't know. It's a very small bottle. You usually use them for baking. Get? So you buy one. You can make your rice blue if you want. You can make your rice purple. You know, we cook what we have in our houses. This is our slogan, I beg. This is our slogan. You cook whatever that you have in your house. Nobody can come and tell you, my sister, why is your rice blue? You say, hey, this is what I have in my house, okay? So yeah, back to our chicken. It was fine, almost done. But I don't like the fact that it is a little bit black, like burned. Yeah, but I guess we will get there. We'll get there. It still look good though, but then I think I should have done better. You know, we are always our worst judges. We always judge ourselves. Now, put your chicken together. Remember, disclaimer, I don't know how they cook chicken arroz, but then I cooked it the way I feel. The way I feel it was, I don't know, my English, my data, whatever, English depleted. So I cooked it my way. Probably maybe you have your own way of cooking it. On the other hand, off camera, I was mixing my different types of sauces, of which again, I cannot display, with lemon juice. Now, this is the soup from the pan. Then, on the other hand, I mixed different types of sauces and lemon juice to give it that flavory. I don't know how to explain it, but it gives a very nice flavory. Then, yeah, mix everything together. I'm about to put the sauce that I've mixed off camera. It is not appearing here because they're not paying us for promos, okay? The moment they say, hey, Here's a sauce, then we'll do it. You see, this is the sauce, this is the sauce, this is this. Ooh, if I tell you that I ate twice, you will think I'm kidding or I'm doing. I ate twice, guys. This was the best meal I've ever made. Usually I don't like my food. I hardly eat my food, but then this one I ate and went again for round 2. Even right now, after recording this video, siyabangena pinda mzala. Okay, you mix everything together and you're going to put it in your microwave for about maybe 3 minutes to blend everything together. Then you are done. You've cooked your chicken arroz. Here's my plate with the green beans. We boiled them with a little bit of sugar to give us a sweet and sour type of a taste. Of course, with our chili chicken arroz. That is our meals. And thank you very much, famies, for watching. Until we meet again, I love you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. I bless your week. I bless your day. I bless whatever that you possess. I bless your children. May you go and win and multiply. Until we meet again. Bye, famies.